besties, welcome back to another episode of Making Money Writing Story. Someone requested a video of another website that is going to make them money from writing story. I'm at your service. I actually make a first and second video of different websites of where you can actually make money writing story. So I'm going to be dropping the link of those video in the description box so you can get access to them. If you're a ghostwriter or you have interest in writing story to make money, you can actually make from $100 to $300 writing story. If that is of your interest, you might want to watch the first video and the second video and also try this particular website I'm about to talk about in this video as well. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, welcome to Financial Ozu TV. What we do here is talk on how you can actually make money online and offline, business ideas and tips. If that is of your interest, hit the subscribe button and join the family. It's for free, you're not paying a dime. Okay, now let's get started. So let's talk about the writer's benefits first. So once you click on the link, you're going to see something like this. As you can see, you're going to be getting signing bonus once you get a contract on this particular platform. It's ranging from $50 to $100, and also you're going to be getting a um monthly paid of $100 to 150. It depends on the word count of your story. Sure you get. So there are actually two type of story on this particular website as well. As I said earlier, I'm going to be dropping the link to the first website and the second website in the description box so you can get access to them. So you can choose any platform that you have interest in or you feel like you want to apply for, and you can actually apply for the three as well. So let's keep going. So on this particular platform as well, there are two type of contracts. They have exclusive and non-exclusive. So it's probably the same thing on other platform as well. Sure you get. You can just try and read their terms and conditions, their guidelines, so you know how this particular website works. Okay, maybe the type of book that is going to get contract more on this particular platform. So some people actually ask this question that how do you can like get inspiration to write story? So there are three major idea that I actually think that I know. Is either you read other people's book on this particular platform or other platform as well, just to get inspiration on or how to get what's it called idea on how you can write or what to write. And you can also watch movies like Philippine movies and Marvel stuff like that. Philippine movie are so good. So you can actually watch those ones as well. So if you have any other idea on how you actually get inspiration when you want to write story, you can drop it in the comment sections for other people to learn as well. So before I keep going, make sure you support me by liking the video. It's going to help the algorithm to push my video to more viewers. Sure you get. Now, if you want a guidance, maybe you want someone that is going that have experience to guide you on this particular on this particular platform I've mentioned, and the one I'm going to be dropping in the description box, you can actually click on the what's it called the course ghostwriting course that I'm going to be dropping in the description box. You're going to be paying for mentorship, and the same course is packed with guidelines. If you're a total beginner, you can actually get the course as well. Okay, and if you're an expert, I mean, maybe you already been writing story before, not an expert. You already have idea about ghostwriting before, but you've never gotten contract. Here you get. So you can just get the course. It's not free, guys. It's not free. Before you click on the link, all right, let's move on how you can register. So you're going to go to your Chrome browser or your Google browser, type in mobilereader.com. You're going to be clicking on the very first link. It's going to take you to this particular page. You can click on create your own book, or you scroll down to see get started now, or just start writing your own story. So that's how you're going to start basically. But if you want more guidance, you can click on the ghostwriting course as I've said earlier. Alright guys, that will be all about this particular website. Do not forget to check out the first website and the second website. I'm going to be dropping their link in the description box as well. See you in the next one. Bye. Do take care of yourself.